So hi students, today we will start a new chapter of your syllabus, chapter 4, that is linear equation in two variables. So first of all, I am expecting that you all must have learned the chapter linear equation in one variable in your earlier classes, that is in 9th class, but still I will explain some terms again easily. So first I am explaining, the name is linear equation in two variables. There are so many terms. First of all, see linear equation and variables. So first of all, we will understand what is an equation or what is a variable. Variable means variable. Variable means you can write it as vary plus able, and vary means that quantity that is able to change. Vary means this is changing. So variable is a quantity or a term in mathematics that can change its value. So we can say that, like I am telling you that you have to write dates of a month in 2020, and let I am taking month is of June. Okay, dates of June in 2020. So dates will be 1st June 2020, then 2nd June 2020, then 3rd June 2020, and so on. It means, see here 2020 constant, it is same, June is same, but the quantity that is changing is date. Okay, date of a month. So here date is considered, or date is working as a variable in this statement. So in mathematics we denote variable by letters. Variables denote by letter X, Y, Z, P, Q, T and so on. Okay, these are the notations for variable. Now come to equation. What is an equation? There are two things. First is expression and second is equation. There is a difference between these two. How? What is expression and what is equation? If I am saying that 2x plus 1, tell me, is this an equation? No. Why? It is an expression, but it is not an equation. Why? Because in equation there must be an equal to sign. If I am writing 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, then it becomes an equation. In equation, equal to sign will be there. There must be terms on left hand side and there must be terms on right hand side. But an expression is only a mathematical term. Okay, there will not be an equal to sign. Now equation is done, variable is done. Now linear. Linear means, you know the degree. Degree of a variable means its highest power. So if in any equation the degree of variable is 1, it means the power of that variable that is present in equation is 1, then it is called linear equation. I am giving you an example like 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Here 2 is constant, it will never change its value. 4 is constant, 0 is constant. But x, you can put so many values to x. So x is variable. Now power of variable is only 1 here. So it is linear equation. I am telling you again, like 3x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. 3, 5, 2. These are constants. X is a variable. X is a variable. But see, here the power of x is now 2. Or you can say the degree of this equation is 2, because degree is highest power and highest power is 2. So it will not be a linear equation. It will not be a linear equation. Linear equation means the degree of variable is equal to 1. Now we have a linear equation in now two variables. We are discussing only of one variable. Now we will understand what is the general form of any linear equation in two variables. See very carefully. first of all, in an equation there must be two variables. So I am giving you first 4x plus 3y is equal to 2. It is an equation, there is an equal to sign. The variables are now x and y because you can put any value to, you can assign any value to x and y. 4, 3 and 2, these are constant. So it is a linear equation. Why linear? Because the variable x and y have degree only as 1. Okay, power is 1. So it is a linear equation in two variables. You can write this equation as 4x plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. It is same. Okay, just you are rewriting. So it is also a linear equation. And if I am giving you 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. It is an equation. It is an equation. Linear equation. But now tell me, is it a linear equation in two variables? Yes, it is a linear equation in two variables. Why? Because I can write this equation as 3x plus 0 multiply y plus 5 is equal to 0. I am saying the equation must contain two variables. Constants can be any value. I can give constants any value, but the variables that are present must be two. Here x is present, y is present. Constants are 3, 0 and 5. Okay, there is no effect when I am multiplying 0 with y, it will give you 0. But still you can write this equation into this form. So you must know that, you must learn that any linear equation in one variable can be converted into any linear equation in two variables.